Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to protect specific cells in a sheet. For example, we want to just protect this data. You have a data or you would like to just select this area. So how to protect it means protect the cells which are uneditable, that no one can edit these cells. So let's do it how we can do it. So for example, we want to just protect this area, okay, this area. So to protect this area that no one can change the data of this or make changes in this area, so for that, first of all, just select the whole sheet. Press this icon at the top or press Ctrl A to select the whole sheet. Okay, so after selecting the whole sheet, right click somewhere. After right click, move to format cells. In the format cells, move to protection. After moving to the protection, uncheck this locked cells and press OK. That is okay. So now what we need to do, just select the area that you want to lock. For example, I have selected this area and right click. After that, move to format cells, then to the protection, then press locked and press OK. So we did until this. Now let's move to back to the review tab, and then we will move to the protect sheet. After moving to the protect sheet, here first of all we should just unprotect. Let's unprotect. Now let's protect the sheet. Okay, so press in the review tab, press protect sheet, and in the protect sheet here just uncheck the select locked cell, but leave this checked, select unlocked cells. You can apply password also, but I will not apply the password. So press OK. So after pressing OK, now let's, for example, if you want to edit this area, you are not able to edit these areas. Okay, but if you click here, you can click here, you can edit these, but even you cannot click here in these areas. So it is how we can protect the specific cells in Microsoft Excel sheet. But if you want to select these cells, it means you can select these cells but not editable. So for that, what you need to do, just simply come here and select locked cell. It means he can select, a user can select but cannot edit. Press OK. So look at, he can select but he cannot make changes. Look at, these are protected, these cells are protected.